Why does your scanner show the P200A engine code? What does it mean? P200A is a diagnostic trouble code for Intake Manifold Runner Performance Bank 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an issue with the IMRC system's ability to control the intake airflow. This often results in decreased engine performance and fuel efficiency. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or sticking IMRC actuator or motor, faulty intake manifold runner, wiring or connector issues, sensor problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Kia Sportage, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Kia Forte models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.